morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending the time you come across this video. I'm still your crypto enthusiast, Namakalelian. Please, if today is your first day of bumping into my channel, please do not make it your last. Like, subscribe, share, and turn on your notification button to know when I post a new video. Today, I'm here to highlight about a new airdrop called 3 doors. 3 doors is a seal airdrop under the PIN project. If you know the PIN project, the PIN give us grass, give us NotePay, and so many more. So this is the tutorial on how you go about it. You get your referral link. When you get your referral link, you go to use your Mrs. browser or your Kiwi browser, or as well you can use your OKS wallet. So when you log in, when you click here, the interface will surface like this. When it surfaces like this, when it opens, you register. You click on start now. When you click on start now, the interface will pop up. Once it pop up, it's either you sign up with your Google, depending on whatever you want to sign up. But I've already signed up. Then once you sign up, you come over here, you follow them on Twitter. If you follow them on Twitter, you can click here to start your daily shaking. You can see I've already shaken for today. This is your referral code. Here you get your referral code from here. Then you can do well to follow them on join them on Discord, follow them on S, follow them on Telegram. Then when you are done with all these ones, you come over here, and put the extension. When you put the Google extension, then you click on get your PIN. Then you copy your PIN from that of the interface, come here, paste it, and click on apply. It will start mining on its own. Every 3 hours it updates new results. So that is that for 3 doors project. It's very simple, very easy to mine, and very understandable. I think we have 17 days to go. 17 days from now. We have 17 days to go. So see you guys in my next video. Thank you.